Communication received from Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The Telangana government has alerted all the line departments, especially with related to the new variant which is reported in United Kingdom and also found out in certain other parts of world. So with this, Telangana government has intensified our airport surveillance since yesterday. And yesterday there are 7 passengers travelled from United Kingdom to Hyderabad. All of them have been tested and found to be negative, and they kept under quarantine, and our health functionaries are monitoring their health status. Apart from this, from 15th of December onwards till yesterday, there are 358 passengers have been travelled directly from UK to Hyderabad. We are in the process of identifying all those 358 passengers, and we'll put them in quarantine, and also we'll get them tested. And as per the latest standard operating procedure sent by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, now for the last 2 weeks, whoever has travelled from different parts of world, all the international travelers will be kept under surveillance, and health functionaries or our frontline workers will monitor their health status, and also if it is required, will test them. And the state, in this wake of situation, the state has established a separate control room with the phone number of 040-2465-1119. For those people who has travelled from UK directly, or the people who has travelled from European Union or certain other countries from Australia, where this new variant has been identified. We request all of them to come forward and get yourself tested. If you are unable to go to our testing center, you please inform us. Wherein we can send our mobile testing teams to your respective homes, and we'll get yourself tested, and we'll monitor your health status. No, actually last few months, okay, it's not only now. Since inception of our surveillance in view of this COVID-19, our surveillance is going on in coordination with the Airport Health Authority, and we deployed almost 50 people. Those are continuously doing their surveillance. It's not only for the international passengers, even other passengers also. As you rightly said, certain passengers will get down in Delhi or Mumbai or Bangalore, and they will travel to Hyderabad. So we are trying to get all those information, and even Government of India has said in their communication that they are going to share the information of all international travelers. Okay, and once upon a time, I think we could able to put more than 70,000 international passengers under our surveillance. That same process will be continued in the coming days too. Those who have travelled yesterday are already there. Now already out of 358, we could able to identify 158 people as of now. So rest also will be identified tonight or tomorrow morning. First they will get themselves tested. Then they will be put under surveillance. Yeah, this is a little bit serious concern, because as far as the Christmas and especially the New Year is concerned, okay, so that will be celebrated across all sections of the people, and every time whenever there is a festival or there is any big event, the Telangana Health Department is advising people, okay, how to celebrate, what are the measures they are supposed to take. And in view of this New Year also, we request the people, and especially the younger generation, those who are going out to celebrate in a big way. So we request them not to celebrate in that manner the way you used to celebrate earlier New Years. We request them to celebrate your New Year with your family members, and restrict yourself to only house, because ultimately once you go out, if you are not taking any measures, ultimately indirectly you are going to infect your own family members. So it is your basic responsibility to protect yourself. 1.5 months, the Telangana government and health department is really geared up to tackle second wave if it comes. But the situation, if you see in Telangana, with regarding to the new infections, it's hardly 500 to 600 new infections. Our positivity rate is just in and around 1%. Okay, and our recovery rate is also more than 97%. For the last 4 or 5 weeks, the situation is similar. Okay, so we are not expecting any second wave, but whatever the measures we supposed to take with related to the not getting infection to the virus, we are requesting the people, whenever you go out, not to forget wear the mask, and request you to frequently wash your hands with soap, and also maintain physical distance of 6 feet, and request not to join in the group or mass. In our Rajiv Gandhi International Airport itself, we established our lab. Okay, Map My Genome is there. Even we have reduced the price of RT-PCR also. I think from 850 now we are going to reduce to 500. Already we requested the lab people to do at the lower cost. Okay, whoever is coming. Okay, if somebody is unable to pay, even we posted our own lab technicians. Okay, wherein they will collect the samples and will get it to our laboratory and can do free of.